In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new partition in Windows 7, 8 or 10. Click on Start. Now type Disk Management. So you will find Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Click on it. Now you will see your C drive. Right click on it and click on Shrink Volume. Now wait for a while. You will see available space. So now you will see total size before shrink in MB. This one size of available shrink space in MB. Enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So now enter amount of space as your PC has available space. Then click on shrink. So now you will see unlocated. Right click on it and click on new simple volume. Click on next. Click on next. Assign the following travel letter. So you will see A to Z. Select your drive name as letter like B, D, E, F. I will select H. Then click on next. Enable the file and folder compression if you like. Then next. Now click on finish. So now click on File Explorer. And click on this PC. So you will see your new drive on your PC. So that's the difference. By this very simple method, we can create a new partition in Windows 10, in Windows 7, 8 or 10. Thanks for watching.